Hi, I'm Luke from Whole Grain Cycles, and this is Jack's installation video. A couple of things you need to know before you get started. You'll need at least 23 centimeters from the top of your handlebars to the top of your wheel. You will also need to move or remove any accessories that are mounted next to your stem. Step 1. Selecting the correct spacers for your handlebars. Start by selecting the largest spacer and try snapping it onto your handlebars. If it snaps on easily and doesn't wobble too much, it is the correct spacer for your handlebars. Take the matching spacer and snap it on to the other side of the stem. If your handlebars are thinner and/or tapered, you will need to use inserts. Snap the correct one into the 25.4 spacer. Next, take Jack and insert it into the slots on the spacers and push down hard. Step 2. Selecting the correct load strap. This will be a bit of trial and error, so maybe start with the medium. Thread one eye of the load strap on the hook on the back of Jack. Rotate Jack up and pass the load strap underneath your stem, and then thread the other eye on the opposing hook of Jack. Rotate Jack down and apply some pressure to seat the load strap correctly. If you have used the correct length load strap, Jack should be angled up about 10 degrees. Step 3. Threading the retention strap. Remove the two rubber rings. Take the non-buckle end and thread it through the left-hand lug from back to front. Pull it all the way through so that the metal O-ring points out in front on the inside. Thread the non-buckle end through the O-ring and pull the logo all the way through. Continue to thread the non-buckle end through the right-hand lug and pull it all the way to the back. You can now rethread the rubber O-rings. Pass the retention strap around the back of the stem and thread the buckle from inside to out. Now apply some pressure to the front of Jack and pull the retention strap hard. The tighter the retention strap, the more secure Jack will be to your bike. Thread the loose end of the retention strap through the rubber rings to keep it out the way. The stiff and bungee strap accessories. There are multiple ways to use the bungees or stiff straps that have been supplied with your Jack. This is the correct way to thread the bungee. This is the correct way to thread the stiff strap. However you secure your baggage to Jack, please make sure it's secure before heading out. We look forward to hearing your adventures on Instagram @JackTheBikeRack.